Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're bringing you an amazing tutorial on how to create a UDP server account for blazing fast internet speeds and set it up on the HTTP Custom VPN app. If you're on the hunt for faster and more secure internet, you've landed in the right place. Let's dive in and get started by creating the UDP server. First, open your web browser and in the search bar type 125tech online and press enter. From the search results, locate and click on the official 125tech website. Once you're on the home page, find the menu button, which is usually at the top corner. Click on it, and a list of options will appear. Select UDP VIP Server from the drop-down menu. Then, choose UDP Custom Server from the additional options. You'll be redirected to the account creation page. Here, simply enter a username, solve the CAPTCHA, and click the Create Now button. Within seconds, your server details will be generated and displayed. Click the Copy Server Info button to save the details to your clipboard. Make sure to paste these details into your device's notes for future use. Next, let's make sure you have the latest version of the HTTP Custom VPN app. Open your device's Play Store, search for HTTP Custom, and install the app. Once installed, launch it to access the home page. On the home page, first check the SSL box. Then in the SSH field, enter the server details you copied earlier, the IP, port, username, and shared key. Once all the data is entered correctly, click the Start button to connect to the secure web connection. And that's it! You've successfully created a UDP server account and set it up on the HTTP Custom app for a faster and more secure browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.